Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you a common problem here with a Ford Fiesta. Okay, if your tail lights are not working, this one will be for hatchback and sedan as well. Fiesta MK7 2008-2017. We'll show you guys how to fix that. We're talking about brake lights when you push the brake pedal, and if the lights don't work, we will demonstrate what could be the cause for that and how to fix it. So, this one right here, tail lights work, but brake lights don't work. And I'm going to cover a few scenarios that explain what could be the reason for that. So, the first thing that could happen, I'll go ahead and check the light bulbs. This one will be the easiest thing to do. Check light bulbs, because most of the times it will be light bulbs, and those vehicles, they don't tell you if you have a bad light bulb or not, and it might be a while since you checked one of them and now the second one burned and all of a sudden you have two of them, so it will be time to replace them. So first thing, check light bulb. Stay with us to see what next. I'll go ahead and get the menu. Okay, and inside usually you'll find the fuse diagram. Okay, ours is about page 170, something like that, or less. We used it before. Okay, usually will be you have fuses that you have some in the engine compartment, some inside the vehicle as well, so it's hard to tell where exactly. But you can see, okay, right here it says right hand exterior lamps or left hand exterior lamps. This is including the brake light. Okay, so it could say brake light too, it could be under a different name. Okay, you can see like right here, brake lamp. Okay, that's another fuse. So it could be a couple fuses. So always check any fuse that relates to the lights. That will be the second thing to do. And the third thing that I always check is the brake light switch. That's very possible fault as well. Most vehicles, if that switch doesn't work, even the cruise control will not work. But most of them have two components. So some are different. Some just have the cruise control, some have the brake light and cruise control integrated in the switch. So let me show you what it looks like. And the brake light switch is located, okay, you can see the brake paddle. It's usually above the brake paddle. Okay, you see that blue thing, it'll be blue, white, black, different colors. Some of them you remove them in different way, but specifically this one you just turn counterclockwise. Okay, and once you do that, okay, we'll have to pull it out. Okay, that noise that you're hearing is from the actually it's from the heater. We need to replace the blend motor door. Okay, and this one got a little bit stuck. Okay, and you pull it out. This is brake light switch, guys. Usually it has a couple wires you disconnect and you replace it. So most likely, okay, will be one of those things. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.